In today's video, I want to show you how to stop auto update of apps in iPhone. To stop automatic update on for your apps on your iPhone, it's very simple, and I'm going to be showing you that right now. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So once you get to your settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom. So I want you to tap on apps. So once you tap on apps at the bottom, it will bring you to another page. So on this page, I want you to tap on App Store. So let's tap on App Store. So once you tap on App Store from there, it will bring up another page for you. So on this page, what I want you to do to stop the auto update of apps in iPhone is this. I want you to just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see where they wrote automatic downloads. So under the automatic downloads, you are going to see where they wrote app updates. So you can see my automatic update is turned on. So which means automatically my iPhone will automatically install new app update. So to turn this off, you just want to tap on this app update, turn it from green. Once you tap on it, it will turn from green to white. So this means I have successfully turned off the automatic update on my iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off automatic app update on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.